Hello and welcome to my channel where I do daily Bitcoin technical analysis, Monday to Friday, analyze price action and prepare setups for day trading. So we start as always with weekly chart. Weekly is consolidating sideways now, lower highs, higher lows. Weekly trend is up, so the lows don't need to be taken unless we do some bigger correction, but the highs I expect to be taken again before we get any kind of significant retrace. The high will probably be taken, and as well as that we tested the upside and we tested the downside of the weekly candle, so it's kind of neutral and we don't have any more information on weekly other than it's probably gonna take the highs at some point. Daily chart is moving in a downtrending structure. We have daily order block still acting as support, and I can show you something else. Like, we are not able to break this resistance. We consolidated here, tried to break, we consolidated again, then we lost it. Backtest 1, backtest 2, and the price is not making a new low. So this is kind of a head and shoulders formation where price is making a higher low and attacking the point of control again, which I would expect that this time it's gonna break. So potentially we are reversing for a breakout now. This is good news. And daily support below us, if we lose this order block, it's gonna be very bearish and kind of a lot of panic. We will need some big guys to step in to stop this price from moving much lower. So we have potential support on the daily level 41,300. It's a weekly level as well, right here, just below this low. We can still go a bit lower, and taking out 40k with a bounce can still be bullish. I wouldn't be that eager to long if we go lower below this. And ultimately the support that's holding the bull trend is 38k, sorry, 38k, and 34,800 more or less, around 34k, that's the last support. But you know, it's gonna take a long time before we reverse after this kind of correction. So we are trying to bounce from the daily order block still. It's taking a lot of time because it's a holiday season and there is not much volume. And once we reach the point of control, I would expect this to break, but it's we don't need to reach it. I don't know when it's gonna reach. So what did we have on Wednesday? On Thursday, yesterday I didn't make a video, I was a bit busy. And yeah, so let's see what happened on Thursday. I made a video around here and I was saying that we need to backtest the point of control. It was a bit lower probably, I think. No, actually we touched the point of control. Or did we? Yeah, we touched the point of control. I didn't long this. I don't know why. I was a bit busy. I didn't sit in front of PC all day. So I was saying long point of control or a swing failure below this low. Yeah, so my trades were long here. Actually, it was to the dollar. That's crazy. And second one was swing failure here. So price backtested. This first resistance was the point of control on the highs, 43700. We went from my projected support to my projected resistance and did a full reversal. That's very nice. I didn't trade this, I was busy, but that's really nice to see. So we tested the resistance again, and now we are trying to make a higher low. Let's see, where is the golden pocket? 0.25. We are making a head and shoulders formation around the golden pocket. So next time we go there, as we know from the daily chart, we expect a break. two trades from Wednesday, both played out almost to the dollar. Very nice if you take profit, but maybe you expect a breakout here and then you lose, and that's on you if you don't take profit. Now we didn't get what's happening today. Let me explain. We didn't get a swing failure right here that I was projecting from Wednesday, and I was saying that bottom formation around here was a good trade. Bottom formation, like, is this a bottom formation? Now it is, but yesterday what we had, it was a bear flag, kind of uptrending structure, which you expect the lows to be taken. We do a swing failure of the bear flag. This is a long opportunity. You don't need to wait for this because you have a more local structure that you can trade. Swing failure trades are the only acceptable aggressive trades. So you could have a long here, and then we have a bottom formation where you can long the last leg if you want. Like what I did, I will explain. I took a long here when I saw that it's not going down anymore, and I like this bottom a lot because bear flag we take out, and we took the high, and then it's like a retrace. You never know how deep the retrace is going, but I saw it's quite deep, and I can have a stop loss right here with a small position. It's not a big risk, so I started entering my long here, and I was thinking if we reclaim daily open and if we reclaim VWAP, I will be entering more. And now I have a full size position with my stop loss on entry around 42,450. And why is it a good position to be in? So I can have my stop loss on entry. It's costing me 0 if I lose. It's a risk-free trade, and price needs to break daily open. Price needs to break VWAP, the daily level as well. That's free support that it needs to break before it touches my entry. And if it touches my entry, I lose nothing. So it's a perfect position to be in. Yeah, so I don't care if I lose this. It's a bottom formation, and now let's see, and it doesn't cost me anything. So let's see what we have on ATAS. First of all, the profiles. Quite big volume on the lows. I don't know what to expect from this. Decent volume on the very low, as you can see right here. That's a good trap for shorts, but it doesn't help us for trading. Now another thing is, let's check weekly profile, weekly point of control. We are playing with this now. So if we break this, I have a point of control as support as well. So it would be a very good position to be in. I have 4 support levels, and my stop is still on entry. And what do we expect? We expect this volume node at 43k, and as you can see, it's a weekly open. I would expect weekly open test and see what happens there. That's a decent resistance on weekly open. I wouldn't really expect to break it, but we will see. It's a bottom formation. We can go all the way to 45k from here. Let's not get greedy, and let's see what if the longs are doing good job or if shorts are in control. Let's see the CVD. So this was bullish CVD on the drop because CVD is just going down. That means people are pressing sell, 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 sell. What's concerning me is that there was 100 million more sells than buys, which is like crazy volume. I don't really believe that retail has that kind of money. Who can short 100 million more than long? This is crazy volume. So it makes me a bit concerned that maybe we have the high and maybe some bigger guys are pushing that price down. So we need to be careful. That's why I didn't long yesterday. Yesterday we had some bullish CVD. I didn't long because I was concerned because the volume on sell side was so massive. I don't know if I ever saw anything like this. Okay, so yesterday from midday around the New York Open, we saw CVD rising. and rising in small increments. That shows that retail is thinking this is support, and this is kind of good bottom, good bear flag, because retail thinking that this is support, price starts moving up a little bit, and you would expect price to sweep the lows, like I was expecting. I didn't long this. We do a swing failure on the low, big absorption, sharp CVD drop. You know that you can trade this swing failure aggressively. It was a good trade. Then price starts moving up and CVD starts moving up quite a lot. We take the high. You know that probably we go for retrace on taking out this high, because CVD is sharp. People are buying. If people are buying, then price is probably going down. Price is going down, and now we are in 50-50 zone. We have support, we have resistance, and that's it. It's a 50-50 zone on order flow. We cannot have any more information. It's interesting to see how this is gonna play out, because it's a lot of selling, like 100 millions of selling on the way down. And I don't know if this is big guys or small guys doing this. So we will see. Now let's go back on TradingView. So what do we expect now? Bottom formation. If we are able to break weekly open, it should be easy way to attack the point of control again. If we attack the point of control, it should be breaking this time, and I don't think it's gonna be a resistance again, because we tried one time, we tried two times. This time we make a higher low, head and shoulders formation, and it's gonna be a breakout. Now, how likely is this? We are still kind of at the lows. We see support, we see resistance. Basically, you need to watch out for this 43k. If we break this, like, I think that probabilities are higher that we will go higher and we will attack this, and probabilities are higher that we will break this. But if we are playing like 60% that we break this, 60% that we break this, you add that up, it's not 100% move up. So just be careful. I'm in a good position. So where are the next longs? Next long would be a sharp CVD drop anywhere on the chart. That would show me that big guys are pushing the price up. Sharp CVD drop at any point today. That's a long opportunity. And same as that, sharp CVD rise could be a short opportunity. I just think that technical analysis is showing that we are making a bottom formation, so sharp CVD rise, maybe on resistance, that could be a short opportunity, but not here. So where's the next long? We go lower and take this low and this weekly level. This is a long opportunity, but be careful with this, because we can be very bearish at that point, and if it's causing a lot of panic, price can drop from this weekly level to 38k. That's 8% drop. So price can get very volatile if we don't hold this higher low. Maybe you would think it's a good time to short, but probabilities are that we will get 7% move up easier than 7% move down. It's not crazy high probabilities, but I think it's higher probabilities. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and see you next week.